Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. To trust Him. July 3rd. God gives us courage. The fear of man bringeth a snare, but whosoever putteth his trust in the Lord shall be safe. Proverbs chapter 29, verse 25. The Lord desires you to be of good courage. Brace up. Satan is working on every hand to destroy faith and to make the people unhappy. If you are not experienced in discerning the devices of Satan, your only safety is in prayer. Lay open all the search of the heart to the search of the infinite eye, and plead with God to make you pure and strong, and to arm you completely for the great conflicts of life. Faith grows by conflict with doubt. Virtue gathers strength by resistance of temptation. All blessings are bestowed upon those who have a vital connection with Jesus Christ. Jesus calls us to himself, not simply to refresh us with his grace and presence for a few hours, and then sends us forth from his light to walk apart from him in sadness and gloom. No, he tells us that we must abide with him and him with us. Wherever his work is to be done, he is present, tender, loving, and compassionate. He has prepared for you and me an abiding dwelling place in himself. He is our refuge. Our experience should broaden and deepen. Jesus has opened up all the divine fullness of his inexpressible love. Talk courage, talk faith, talk hope. My brother and my sister in the Lord, be of good courage. Oh, how little we know what is before us. We will give ourselves entirely to Jesus to be wholly his, and then say, not my will, but thy will, O God, be done. You have the tender love and compassion of your Saviour. Look to him always, trust in him continually, and doubt not his love. He knows all our weaknesses and that which we need. He will give us grace sufficient for our day. Only look to Jesus continually and be of good courage. In genuine faith, there is a buoyancy, a steadfast principle which neither time nor toil can weaken. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for any further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.